Hi guys, Wendy here. In this video we're going to draw a cute Easter bunny. So let's get started. With this Easter bunny, we're going to first start by drawing the top of its head. So I'm going to come about right here and draw a small little curve directly on top, right in the center. And from there I'm just going to bring out two big floppy ears. So I'm going to come up all the way and just flop it down a tiny bit, curve it down, and bring it around. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same, so don't worry. And let's see, we just want it kind of about the same height. So about right there. And once again, bring it around and back. There. Now let's come inside and we're going to give it some details for the inside of the ear. So we're just going to follow the outside curve and bring it around and back. And then just connect it. So same thing over here. And back. And connect it. So we got the two little ears, well, two big ears in. Now let's draw the head. So I'm going to come from here and just bring out a curve. So once again, I'm aiming for that dumpling shape that I usually give to all my Draw So Cute animals. So it's going to get wider as we come out. Right here towards the cheek area. And just start to bring it in. Okay, so from there I'm going to stop a little bit, and I have this little Easter egg right here that's going to come overlap the head a little bit. So if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this curve, but I don't want to erase. So what I'm going to do is, let's see here, I'm going to bring this in a little bit more, and in this area I'm just going to go ahead and draw the top of the egg. So about right here I'm going to start to draw the top of the egg. So I'm just going to give myself a little curve. Comes all the way down in the center. And then I'll just go ahead and connect this. So from there, before we finish all the details of the body and the egg, let's come back up here and bring this little rabbit to life. So I'm going to come towards the bottom right here in the center, and I'm going to draw its cute little nose. So just a little curve and connect it with a widen out V. And from right there underneath it, I'm just going to draw a curve out. Right in the center, I'm going to start and draw a curve out. And same thing on the other side. From there, I'm going to come to the side right here and draw a big circle for the eyes towards the edge. So about in this area. Draw a big circle and come to the other side right there, and once again towards the edge draw another circle. So then from there, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. From there, if you want, you can add some little lashes right here. So I'm just going to come to the edge right here and just add a very slight little curve. both sides for the eyes. And then come up here and we're going to draw a little curve to anchor our eyes right on top. So there, our bunny's all done with the face, and so let's come and draw the body and the egg. I'm going to come next to this curve right here and draw another curve. So this is going to be the beginning of the body and the arms. And so in this little area where I've drawn this, I'm going to come in here and draw a curve for the beginning of the paw. So I'm going to come right here in this egg, this curve right here, and draw a little paw, curve it around, and connect it back. So you can finish this curve off. And so same thing over here. I think it'll be a little bit easier to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in this area right here and just draw a curve. And I'm just going to make sure it's in the same height, same level as the other paw, and bring it around and connect back. Then you can come in here with two tiny little curves for indications of the paw right there. Okay, so then from there I'm going to continue this egg. So just imagine it's being overlapped by the hand right here. And so then I'm just going to come about right here and continue my egg. Okay, so then if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and draw this egg. Finish off this egg first, but because I'm using a Sharpie, I'm going to have to draw this paw first so that I don't have to, not the paw, the feet. I'm going to draw the feet first before I finish this egg so that I don't have to erase. So in this area right here on the side, I'm going to draw the feet. So I'm going to come in here with a curve. And basically it's going to be thinner, narrow down here, and it's going to widen out towards the top. So notice it's thinner here and it widens out towards the top. So let's do the same thing on this side. So I just want to make sure I'm in the same level. So same thing, curve. It's going to be a slight angle. And I'm going to widen it out over here and connect it back. So there. And then from there, now we can finish this egg. So I'm just going to imagine it being coming down right here. So just towards the bottom right here, I'm just going to go ahead and fill this space up with the egg. Now we're going to come on this side right here and just draw a little indication of some of the body of the rabbit right here. So just add a little curve. And then let's give some details to the feet right here. So I'm going to come in here and draw 3 ovals for the pad. And of course right here I'll just draw a little heart. Soften out heart for the main pad area. And so same thing here. Just 3 of them. And a soften out heart. Okay, so then from there, let's we can give some details to this egg. So I'm going to come here and just divide it out into 4 sections. So I'm just going to draw a curve around just to give our egg some dimension so it looks a little bit rounder. So I'm just going to come in here and draw this curve. Do another one. There. And then you can decorate it however you like. Just have fun with this part. I'm just going to add a little big heart in the center right here. And let's see here. I'm going to add some circles towards the bottom. And maybe just another stripe on the bottom right here. And that is pretty much it for my egg. And of course my Easter bunny is outside, so let's give it some grass. And of course my dandelions. So there, hope you guys loved this Easter bunny and found it really cute and super easy to draw. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.